This is one of my favorite serene places to go to. This fallen limb you see in front of you here makes a nice seat. I'm sitting down, it's very nice and comfortable. I love coming out here because it's usually really quiet. You don't hear a lot of noise from the human world. It's just all natural noise, whether it's the whispering of the wind through the pines, the birds, the insects, the tree frogs. Oh, there's a lizard, look at that. Just the noises of wildlife. And it's really, really nice. And the noises of wildlife to me are like music. And it's so relaxing and serene. And to just watch the wildlife do its natural thing. Listen to everything. Feel the breeze on your skin. The sunlight on you. It's just beautiful. And to just hear the crunching of the forest floor when you walk on it and the smell of the pine needles after a rain. It's really, 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 really great. The best medicine ever. And I like to get out here as much as I can because it's always good stuff. No matter what the weather's like, it's still alright because you're away. You're in the woods. And it's always different no matter how many times you come out here. It's never exactly the same, except for it's beautiful every time, no matter what the weather is, what the conditions are. It's always beautiful, relaxing, and mellow, and I never get tired of it. And for me, that's always good medicine.